Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm doing a collab with 14 channels. How cool is that? The idea is to show a halter shirt and a skirt, any kind the person wants to do, to show that anybody can make an outfit for their Rainbow High doll. The other channels involved are, and they'll all be listed with a link below: Shelly's Dollies, Octopudding, Grace Toys Dolls Thrift or Buy, Ella Avar, Dory's Dollies, Doll Joy Lisa, Starch and Stitches, Unicorn Rainbows Toys and Dolls, and Living It Gigi Style. Pretty exciting. And I'm sure everybody will have done it a little bit different, which makes it so fun to visit all the channels. I took Crystal Bailey, and it's getting close to 4th of July, so I made her outfit with stars and red, white, and blue. There's a blue star here you can't really see because of her skin tone, but the little skirt, I show the pattern just in a minute here. And I went ahead and added the ruffle. I think it turned out cute. I'm pretty pleased with it. And I showed you how I did my triangle halter shirt. And then Darren prints these shoe soles for the Rainbow High, and I just added the ribbon to that to make mules. I'm really pleased. Before you make fun of why is she in a Halloween stand, it's because this is her outfit on the shelf. I really like it. Made those last year for the Dolls Gone Goth, and I really liked it, so she kind of stays in it because it goes with her color. I've chosen my fabric, and I don't know if I'm going to use both of these or one of these, but I'm thinking both. They're cute. It'll be cute together. It's 4th of July. She can get away with it. And I'm going to try something different for the halter top, but I'm going to do this skirt that I have done before. It's a Simplicity pattern 4702. It's basically for a Barbie doll, but if you make it a little bit wider for the bigness of the butt, it works for any of your fashion dolls. I don't think I'm going to do the ruffle, but we'll see. Here's where I am so far. I made her little red and white shoes to match. Darren 3D prints these little shoe soles. I love them. I have been adding the rubber bands. I saw Jamie at Let's Talk About It with Jamie do that. And your high-end fashion dolls that come in mules always have that. I usually take it off, but now that I've lost a shoe or two. What I did for the halter top was quite simple, and I think it's going to work out really well. I took my doll and I laid her down on the corner, and I pulled up the fabric to where I thought, yep, I can tie that behind her. And I cut it across diagonally. Then I folded it over and cut a bit off the side where it would be too thick for her and off the top. And what I will do is I will I will turn this under all the way around. Then I will fold this down and add a ribbon that will gather this up, and then I will tie it in the back. If you'd like to see more of a tutorial on how to make this skirt with that Simplicity pattern, I did do a collaboration at Easter, and I used that same pattern for the skirt. And if you, we will link that below. Please be sure to go and see everybody's video. I'm sure it's going to be so much fun to see what different prints they used, the different patterns they used, and even what Rainbow High doll they used for their model. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.